Hey guys, my name is Jacob from the CryptoHub here. It is the 10th of January in the new year, and we have a little interesting price action kind of across everywhere today. So since we last talked, Bitcoin has gone down, $300. So we dipped all the way here to $13,000, $13,300. We're back up $1,000 with some kind of unique candles right there. For Bitcoin specifically, we look at the market as a whole. We've had a really good last hour. Everyone in the green for the last hour. The last 24 have been a little bit more bearish. Bitcoin, this last hour kind of covered a lot of the issues that were going on. Ethereum has just been killing it, especially over the 7-day. Ripple, as most people that understand technical analysis predicted, struggled. Bitcoin Cash has had a pretty good run up. Cardano has had a little correction. Litecoin has just been sitting there. NEM had a bad day, but overall not a bad week. IOTA's down, Stellar's down big, similar to Cardano and Ripple. They were just overextended. NEO has been killing it. Tron had a really bad last 24 hours, so it's probably not a bad time to buy, especially since it's still up over the week. Icon has had just a phenomenal week, so has Sia Coin, and even Bytecoin. There's a lot of tokens that are just doing really well. Yesterday just wasn't the best day. So we started the day at 240 billion or so. We actually went all the way down to 272 billion, and we're back down here. This is saying we're at 719. One thing to remember is CoinMarketCap changed their algorithm to not include Korean prices, because those prices are pretty bloated just due to the difficulty of moving dollars in and out of Korea. But overall, guys, just remind yourself of the progress we've had. We're doing well. I still think we're going to hit $3 trillion this year, global market cap. Anyways, guys, please hit like, comment, share with your friends. If you have anything you want to talk about, like I was saying, comment below. Thank you so much.